Hello, good morning students. This is Tejpal Kamajia from Radha Mother Public School, going to teach you today from the very first chapter we will start, that is Internet Basics. Today we will know about Internet fundamentals and fundamental factors of Internet. So what are the features, you can say, what are the key features or key things which we are going to know about internet today. The key points to be covered in this session, the first one is network, second one is networking, and the third one is, and the last one is, you can say the third one is internet, and the last one is internet terminology. So what is network? First, before knowing about internet, we have to know about network. So we are going to learn about network. The one is, network means definition of network. Network is a collection of computers connected with each other through network cables and networking devices. Means to say, a collection of computers is there, but if they are not connected through network cables or networking devices, then we cannot call it a network. Network can be called only when the collection of computers connected with each other. The next thing is there, networking. There is a great difference between network and networking. We have to understand this difference. Dear students, the definition of networking is a process in which data or information is shared among the connected computers by following certain protocols. Means to say, when we share any kind of data or information among the computers, connected computers, then we have to follow certain rules. We have to follow certain rules, otherwise we cannot share any kind of data on network. So the next thing is there. Now we have come on the point, that is internet. Internet is a global connection of Internet is a global connection of small networks. It is the finest example of WAN, which stands for Wide Area Network. Means to say, all the computers, small networks, which are found in different cities, even local regions, everywhere around the globe. Means the computers, the small networks which are connected with each other, that is called internet. And it is the finest examples of WAN. WAN is a kind of network, as you have learned. As you know, there are four kinds of network. The first one is LAN, MAN, CAN, and WAN. WAN is the biggest network and it is found over the world. Internet is also known as a network of networks. The next thing is there. This is the last and next. It is internet terminology. If we want to drive a car, then we have to know certain things in the car. Where is the clutch? What is the use of it? What are the features of other things as well? If we don't know about these things, then definitely we cannot drive a car properly. So if we want to operate internet, then we have to know some internet terminology, as well as most of the internet terminology we have to know about them and what is the use of them. It is also known to us. So before we proceed further, it will be good if we briefly talk about internet terminology. So now we are going to know about some basic terms related to the internet. The first one is client. Any computer on the networks that request services from another computer on the internet is called client. Server. Any computer that receives requests from the client computers, processes them, and sends the output. That is called server. Web servers, as far as web servers are concerned, they respond to web related requests. Now the next is web page. Any digital page, document hosted on internet is called web page. The next one is website, a collection of interconnected web pages designed with certain goal in mind. Websites are always designed to be to for, you can say, for certain goals for there. If we do not have certain goals in mind, then this is not fair at all, and definitely we have to create websites for certain goals, and it is the collection of millions and billions of interconnected web pages. The next one is URL. URL, it stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is unique address of a web page on internet. URL means unique address of a web page on internet. That is called URL. The next one is email. Email, it is an acronym and short for electronic mail. Email refers to messages distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients by a network, mostly internet. It is a short form of electronic mail, and actually these are electronic messages and used to be distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients. The next and last one is web browser, a program or software on client computer that retrieves information from the web. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Opera, etc. There are so many examples of web browser, but these are the main examples of web browser. Actually, some students often confuse about web browser and website. Website is different thing. Web browser is a software. Website, you can see over here, website is an interconnected web pages, or you can say a collection of millions and billions of web pages. Rather, web browser is a software or program on a client computer which is used to retrieve information from the web. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Opera, etc. Thank you.